Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our class 12th of chapter 6, that is test and measurement in sports. In last class we have already studied about baromotor fitness test, and today we will start with Harvard step test. It is also known as, this test is for cardiovascular fitness test. This test was developed by Browa in 1943 to measure the cardiovascular fitness of the individual. It is also called aerobic fitness test. It is good test for measurement of fitness and ability to recover after strenuous exercise. The purpose of this test is to measure the cardiovascular fitness of an individual. Requirement of this test, especially gym bench or box. For women, it is needed 45 cm to 17 inches high, and for men 50 cm to or 20 inches of high bench or box is needed for men. And second one is a stopwatch. Third one, assistant or a helper is needed. Procedure of this test: the athlete step up and down on the platform at a rate of 30 steps per minute every 2 seconds, that is for 5 minutes or until exhaustion. Exhaustion is defined as when the athlete cannot maintain the stepping rate for 15 seconds, the assistant measures the pulse rate or heart rate as pulse 1 for 1 minute after 1 minute of recovery. The assistant then measures the pulse rate or heart rate as pulse 2 for 1 minute after 2 minutes of recovery. The third stage is, again the assistant will measure the pulse rate or the heart rate as pulse 3 for 1 minute after 3 minutes of recovery. After taking these 3 recovery rate or the 3 pulse rates, calculation procedures comes down. What is the calculation procedure? Using these 3 pulse rates as pulse 1, pulse 2 and pulse 3 as estimate of fitness level can be determined. After this, calculation procedure, you can see the computation of fitness index for Harvard step test, that is duration of the exercise in seconds into 100 by 5.5 into pulse count between 1 to 1.5 minutes after exercise. Then second one, for 1 minute pulse calculation formula, that is 3000 divided by pulse 1 plus pulse 2 plus pulse 3. And third one is for half minute pulse calculation formula, 100 into test duration in seconds by 2 into sum of pulses 1, 2 and 3. Then comes the evaluation. The table is given below, you can see them. Now, the next test is Rockport walking test for cardiovascular fitness again. This test is very good for cardiorespiratory fitness of the individual. The objective of this test is to monitor the development of the athlete's maximum cardiorespiratory ability, that is VO2, and use of oxygen used during exercise. Purpose is to measure the cardiorespiratory ability of the individual. Then requirement of the test: a running track of 200 or 400 meters. Then a stopwatch and assistant or a helper. Administration and procedure of the test. Firstly, choose a windless day to conduct the test. Second, record your weight in pounds, that is lbs. Third one, walk or run 1 mile as fast as possible. 1 mile is 1609 meters. Then fourthly, record the time to complete the 1 mile walk. Then immediately on finishing the walk, record or measure heart rate, that is beats per minute. Then determine your maximum cardiorespiratory ability, this VO2, from the calculation given below. Calculation procedure. Analysis of the result is done by comparing it with the result of previous test. It is expected that appropriate training between each test should be done to show improvement. The formula used to calculate VO2 max is 132.853 minus in brackets 0.0769 into weight in lbs bracket closed minus bracket 0.3877 into age bracket closed plus 6.315 into gender bracket closed, then minus 3.2649 into time bracket closed minus bracket 0.1565 into heart rate bracket closed, where weight is in pounds, that is lbs, gender male equal to 1 and female is equal to 0. Then time is expressed in minutes and seconds. Heart rate is in beats per minute and age is in years.